Shockwave.
My channel. So here it goes. So I just have made so forget so already know the title of the blog. So forget home brewing or modding. So for me, okay, it's my for me for forget home brewing or mod. So I just made this one. So I already have some just use instead uh just use a DS Lite, just use a Nintendo DS game card cartridge, right? So yes, and it's working also for my 3DS. So let's gonna start it up. Okay, so okay, this what is this? Okay, my 3DS is, I think, is already homebrew or mod, is because I found a folder of a CIA on it, but there is no, what is this called, there is no files on it. So there it goes. I hope also a shuffle on it. So let's start with this one. So it is the health and safety information. Okay, this is an health. Also the game card. So I have a game card already. Because when I bought it, there is a lot of games free. Camera, so Mi Plaza, Mi Maker, Music, MP3 eShop. Okay, eShop is now shut down, so you cannot use it anymore. And AR games, Face Raiders. Okay, settings, download, play, activity log, Pokemon Sun and Moon. So demo version. So I just want to play Sun and Moon in a 3DS, but I don't have a game on it. So instead, I already purchased the all Pokemon games for 3DS, and also Pokemon Shuffle. What is this called? Super Mario Bros. Edition. So demo only. So okay. Kirby Battle Royale, so a demo. Omega Ruby Alpha Sapphire is special demo version also. Kirby's Extra demo. Okay. Okay, Pokemon Rumble World. So this is a free game. Picross, Pokemon Picross, and also Team Kirby Clash. So today, in here I have this game card. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it off, and then I'm gonna go to my DS. So this is my Nintendo DS Lite. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take this off. So in here, this look at that one, Nintendo 3DS 488 in one game. So it means there is a lot of games on it. So okay, as you can see right there, there is a lot of games in here. So okay, let's gonna open this up. Okay, so okay, this one, and then take it off. I'm gonna step it aside right there. So and then I'm gonna put this on into the 3DS, and then let's gonna open it up. Okay, okay, you can see right there. Okay, my face is uh okay, there it goes. Here it is, the game card for my Nintendo DS Lite. So Deep Labyrinth Atlus USA Incorporated. So if I'm gonna click it, if I'm gonna open it, so it is loading it up, and then there it goes. There is the games from your, and also there's right there, as you can see, right there and right there. So, and here, yes, then okay, um okay, like this one, and then okay, and I'm gonna go to the micro SD card, and then I'm gonna uh okay, what's this? There's the game. Okay, you can see a bunch of games. Okay, Star Wars, Batman, Bionic, also Indiana Jones, also Spider-Man, Transformers, as you can see right there. Okay, you cannot see you cannot see in the main camera because you can see right here in the second camera. Okay, so Ben 10, yes, yeah, Generator Rex, yes, I already saw this anime, Generator Rex. Okay, Ben 10, Transformers, bunch of games in here. So I'm gonna go back. So there's also still a DS folder in here. So this is a game, okay? It's still a game on it. So you can see Metal Card Squad, Bejeweled, okay? And a Bomberman. So let's gonna try to play some game. Okay, so I'm gonna grab the stylus for my DS because there is no stylus free. And so over here, let's go. Okay, let's go to check some games. So in here, there's a Bejeweled 3 and DS. So you can still also, there's a Sonic Classic Collection. So in here, Mortal Kombat, Tetris, Power Rangers. Okay, Power Rangers, Mortal Kombat. Okay, I think the game is hanging up. What's wrong? Okay, the game. Okay, the okay, here it goes. So let's gonna play some games on it. So as you can see, okay, PopCap. So this is a Bejeweled Blitz game. So for the Nintendo DS, there it goes. Okay, let's play. Oh, it's only a sample of the game now you can play. So continue. I have already played this game. So like this one. So okay. Yes, you can play. You really you can play. Really, you can play DS games for your 3DS, and I think it's okay for me not to homebrew or mod my 3DS. It's because I'm happy with it. It's because I already have the game for, I already have a game, lots of games in my DS Lite, so that I can play it, so that I can swap it into my 3DS to play with it. Yes, really is a good idea also, right? So if you don't want to, if you don't want to, what is this called, want to damage your device, your, if you want if you don't want to damage it, so just in case, you can, you can buy some, you can buy a game card that has a lot of games on it. So yes, I'm okay with it. I'm okay. I'm already okay with this one. And I am so very nostalgic game. So very nostalgic is because there is so, many games in this, in this game card. Okay, gonna open it back again. So I'm just gonna open it back. So just okay, and then go. Okay, okay, another game. So Kirby, Star Ultra, Mario Party, Mega Man, Need for Speed. Okay, I already play a game. This one, Need for Speed, Pac-Man World 3, Pikachu colored, and then also there's a Plants vs Zombies on it. Sonic Chase collect, Sonic Classic Collection, and also there's a Tetris on it. Okay, there's so much more. I also downloaded a Pokemon with a Game Boy Advance in here, but doesn't seem it cannot play. So this is for the Game Boy Advance, but it's not playable in your 3DS. So try it into my I'm gonna try it into my, what is this, DS Lite. So I always forgot. Okay, so let's go to the home, and then I'm gonna off this first. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back on my DS, and then let's gonna try to play those GBA games. So I don't know if it is gonna work. That the game, the Pokemon game, which is a Game Boy Advance file, is from my retro stick gaming. I just copy it. I just copy it, and I just want to see if it is working. So okay, okay. What's the new folder? Okay, no. There's the Pokemon. So I'm gonna try to open it up, but still not gonna work. Okay, as you can see, I I just want I just want, but it is not working. So it is not still playable, the GBA format of the Pokemon Silver Edition, but I can play it into my retro gaming stick, which is I have it. So you can check my unboxing, also my review of my retro gaming stick, as you can see right there in the, okay, upper. Okay, so okay, that's it guys, that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoy. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and then click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos here in my channel. So thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, peace everyone.